Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex and I am a mom of 6 kids. My oldest is 10 and my youngest is 1. Today is a what we eat in a week video. So 7 days of dinner. This is just an idea of things we eat all week. We do eat takeout once a week, so that's in there. And then if you watched my grocery haul video, we did stick with the plan for dinners for the week, but there were some days that we switched around. So without further ado, let's get started. Day 1, we did fajitas. I do like to do the sheet pan fajitas because I feel like they are quick and easy. With some boneless, skinless chicken breast, and then chop up some peppers. You can use colored peppers, green peppers, and then some onions. And then I tossed those on a sheet pan with foil with some olive oil and taco seasoning. And then you just bake the sheet pan in the oven at 400 degrees for 18 to 25 minutes. I chopped up some tomatoes, lettuce, avocado, and then topped the fajitas with cheese and sour cream as well. Day 2, we did takeout. On day 3, we did chicken wings. I bought a bag of frozen chicken wings. I thawed those. And then you take some flour and all the seasonings that you want, mix that together, and then you coat the chicken wings, put them in a bag, and then place them in the refrigerator for 1 hour. And then when I was done with that, I brought them out, coated them in the remaining flour again, and then just fried them. You want to make sure that your oil is nice and hot before you put the wings in them. And then you melt butter with whatever your choice of wing sauce is, and you warm that up on the stove. And then as soon as the wings come out from being fried, you toss them in the butter and wing sauce mixture, and then you put them on a rack to cool. I ended up serving that with salad and baked beans. I did some mild and some hot wings, but overall it turned out great. I probably should have bought 2 bags of wings though. Day 4, we did BLT wraps. I just put your standard bacon, lettuce, tomato, and then mayo and avocado on a flour tortilla. And then I served that with potato salad and cut up cantaloupe. Day 5 was the charcuterie board. I did 3 different types of cheeses, Gouda, sharp cheddar, and pepper jack. And then we also did salami, turkey, and pepperoni. And then we had some spinach dip, grapes, and some other goodies on the board. Everyone really liked that self-serve. That's the first time I've made that for dinner, but it was really easy and it was something that everybody enjoyed. Day 5 was 4th of July, so we grilled out. We had some company over. Some people brought some dishes, but I made jello and hot dogs, hamburgers, brats, and then we made cheese potatoes and deviled eggs. And then my little kitchen helper, my daughter Emerson, who loves to help me in the kitchen, cut up all the fruit for the fruit salad. So that was a nice little fun holiday dinner. I do not have any pictures or video of all the food because there was just so much and it was busy, but it was just your standard barbecue. Day 7, I decided to do stew. I don't normally do stew in the summertime. To me, that is more of a winter food, but we did purchase a quarter cow a couple months ago, and so we have some really good meat, and I wanted to use it up, so I chopped up some carrots and potatoes and then the stew meat, and I cooked it in the Instant Pot along with, I just buy the McCormick stew packets, and I buy 2 of them, and you just mix the packet with water, and then I poured that on top of the meat. Sometimes we serve that with bread or cornbread, but this time we just ate the stew. So there you have it. That was our dinner for 7 days for our family of 8. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos with recipes and what we eat in a week or grocery hauls, and I will see you in the next video.